Welcome. In front of me is a VERNEE Thor Plus, and today I will show you how to access the boot mode. So to start off, we will need to actually power off the phone. So hold the power key and then select power off, and once more. Now wait for the device to shut off, which will be indicated by the vibration, like right now. And once it's off, we will hold volume up and power key simultaneously. So volume up and power key. Keep on holding them till you see the boot mode. As you can see, now we're in boot mode. So from here, we will use volume up to navigate, and only volume up, like so, as you can see, and volume down to confirm whatever we select. And from here, we can access the recovery mode, fast boot, or just reboot the device back to the normal Android, which I am gonna do. So once you select it, you want to press volume down to actually confirm the selection, as you can see. And now it will reboot. Okay, and as you can see, we're back into the normal Android. So that is basically how you would access the boot mode. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.